Okay, so let's see next step number 7. So all of this that we just discussed, it's about winter season. Now we're going to summer season. One who erred in a summer season and recited Tal mussar, right? So wrong blessing, summer season. As long he's still in the middle of Shemoneh, he should go back and start from the beginning of the blessing with Borach Aleinu. Okay, so if he's in the summer, right? It's summer, like now. Now it's summer, and he by mistake he said this blessing for winter. So there is no fixing. He can simply say that the blessing for the summer. That's it. No, he has to go back to the beginning of this blessing for the years, and say it again from the beginning. I mean, it's not a lot. I mean, it's not a big deal. However, if he, go ahead.
A question in regards to I'm not sure if we mentioned it. In regards to last time we learned Kitzur and we said who makes the wind blow and brings down the rain. We can't go back to the second bracha. We have to mamish restart the. Oh wait, let's say we can't go back to the second bracha. If we read the whole second bracha, we can't go back to the second one.
To the beginning? No. If he finished the second one, so he goes to the beginning. You remember we said there, it's like all three of them. It's like one unit. So he goes to the beginning of the unit. Remember we said that?
Yeah. Understood. Thank you.
Okay, all right. So but here, I mean, so the case in previous year, we said if he forgot, he did not say anything. We did not say he said wrong thing. He did not say. So when he did not say, he can add in many places. You understand? But here he saw the wrong one. So it's a totally different case. So he cannot say like different. So he has to start from that blessing for the years and say correct thing for the summer. However, he did not realize his mistake until after he recited the verse of Yehu Leratzon. I mean, in this last verse after the Shemoneh, at the end of the Shemoneh, exactly. He must go back to the beginning of Shemoneh prayer. That's it. So if he finished Shemoneh, he goes to the beginning. So I mean, you see, if you remember this rationale, how halacha works, you can remember things even without all the details. If you know only rationale, you would be able to derive it yourself. So meaning missed completely, right? Or I just said wrong thing. Okay.